All right, hi everybody. So what I'm trying to do in this episode is chase down the electrical run that I replaced last week, which is the leads here. I'm trying to chase it down here to get it to the starter ignition switch and be able to go from there. I'm replacing the starter ignition switch sometime soon. I'm waiting for that in the mail, but for right now I'm chasing down the electrical side to try and get it, make sure it gets all the way to the switch. I realized last week that my car wasn't very level, so what I'm going to do this week is I'm going to build a level area that I can jack from and that I can work from underneath the car, and then I'm going to roll the car back over it. I guess that would help. All right, now I remember what it's like to work on a car. Go to the auto parts store every 10 minutes to get what you need. Here we go. All right, well, we got power to the starter ignition switch, which I will replace next time, hopefully get in the mail. And we got power to the fuse box, which is looking good. Replaced a couple fuses. Don't have a horn yet. I think maybe I will pull out excess wires.